Ready for this Simba madness right here? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know my hair looks really crazy, but I'm going to give myself a really pretty wavy hairstyle. I wanted to match this beautiful makeup that I did. I've already done a video on this. I'm either going to have the makeup video up before this video or after, but either way, I'll leave a link to it if it's already done. But if it's not, just wait for it, it's coming. So I'm gonna give myself a really pretty wavy look and get out of this frizziness that I have going on right here. So if you'd like to see how I'm gonna do that, just keep watching. So my hair is really frizzy like this because I've already brushed it out and detangled it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this TRESemme heat protectant and go ahead and put this all over my hair so I can protect it from the curling and the straightening we're about to do. It smells really good. I'm gonna just section it out just a little bit just to get the hair and stuff on the bottom to get it to be protected too. Alright, so now our hair is protected. I'm just gonna let that dry just a little bit. It doesn't take that long. Next, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair before I start. And the tools I'm going to be using today are my hair straightener, which is an HSI Professional. This is really old. I don't even know how old this is, but it works really well for me. It's done good for me. Flat iron straightener, and it's kind of messy, but you know, we're not going to look at that. So I'm going to section the bottom. The best way to get good coverage for your hair is to section it out. And you have the two right here. Take a little piece of my hair, just not too much. Like, I don't even know, like this much. And I'm going to take my little comb and I'm going to brush it out a little, and I'm going to hold my comb right here, so it's going to be like this. Hold it right there just so I can keep this straight, and go in with my straightener and just straighten that just a little bit. I'm just doing that much because I want my hair to be easier to work with. I'm more worried about the top part being straight and the rest not too much. Do the same thing to the side. So yeah, so the hair is not completely super straight. I'm gonna take the next piece and do the same exact thing. Okay, so once you have both sides kind of straight, you want to go in with your flat iron, take a little piece, like that much, you know, and then you take the flat iron and you twist it away from your face and twist it one more time and just slowly bring it down, and it'll give you a nice curl. See? So I'll show it to you again. So you take a nice piece, take the flat iron, twist twist it out, twist it one more time, and you bring it down. And halfway you can twist it one more time if you want to hold a better curl. See? It's so quick and so easy if you just want some really nice curls. Take it and twist it out, fold it one more time, and just slowly bring it down. There you go, you got some curls in your hair. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Twist it out, twist it one more time, and then just I'm going to go ahead and hairspray it with my Aussie Headstrong Volume Hairspray. And then we're just going to do that to our entire head. I'm keeping these a little bit thicker just because I want bigger curls. But when it's on the straightening iron, I make sure that it's flat and not too bumpy or thick on the iron, because then it won't catch all the hair. So this is where I part my hair. Almost done. Okay guys, so that was my last piece. We got some nice curls. I'm gonna go ahead and hairspray that. And any kind of weirdness that I see, I just go ahead and fix it. Like this part doesn't look that straight. Just go ahead and fix that. And this looks like it could use a little bit more curling. And then I'm just gonna run my hands just to fluff it up a little. And if you want to make your hair look a little bit bigger than what I have going on here, I would go ahead and back comb it, and you can totally do that if you want, or you can even use some dry shampoo. I have this Herbal Essences dry shampoo here. You could use that to fluff it up. I'm going to actually fluff it up a little bit. Put some dry shampoo. So that's my hair all done. So you don't need a curling iron to curl your hair. Just use your straightener, just hold it tight, just twist it and pull it down. That's really all you have to do. You just have to practice and you'll definitely get it. But this is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and change my earrings to make everything kind of match. The earrings are DIY earrings that I've made. I will try to do a video on them soon because I love tassel earrings. So that's how the hair looks, nice and curly, ready to go out if you ask me. Especially with this, I love to bring my hair out to the front like that, just to cover one side. I think that looks so pretty, the nice waves. So that's the end of my video, guys. I hope you guys like this look. Like I said, the makeup look is a separate video which I have already done. I don't know if I've posted it yet, but if I have, I will put it in my description. If I haven't, I'll post it very soon. But yeah, I love this whole look together with the earrings and the top and the hair. It's really, really pretty. So I hope you guys do like it. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, I appreciate all your support. I love you guys so much. Bye! Ah, my beautiful gray hairs.